Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys my downstairs bathroom transformation. I completely renovated the whole bathroom, so this is a before shot, and stay tuned to the end of the video to see the final reveal. So first things first is clearing out the bathroom, all clutter, decorations, all that good stuff. And then you have to have a little dance break. So there were a few things in this bathroom that I just wanted taken out. One was the towel holder above the toilet, and the other was this medicine cabinet. We never used either or, so I just thought it was best just to give the bathroom a nice clean look. So yeah, I replaced the mirror, took out the old medicine cabinet, and as you can see here, I had to remove some drywall just to get down to the stud in order to add new drywall. Basically, it just gave the new drywall an area to attach to. So as you can see there, I'm putting in the screws, and then next we're going to go over with the drywall tape, and then the joint compound is follows that. Now here the paint that was previously on the wall started peeling. I'm not sure why that is. It could be a mixture of the previous owners putting oil-based paint on top of like water-based paint. I'm not exactly sure. I peeled up what I could and went back with the like joint compound to try to smooth the area out. Not sure if that was the best idea or not, but it got the job done. And then next, because our walls are textured, I did use the orange peel texture spray. Kind of oversprayed a little bit. But yeah, just so it could blend in more with the previous paint job. Painting this bathroom white made the tub surround and the toilet look even more beige and it just was not giving. So I did go ahead and epoxy the shower install to a white, just so it could match the paint and look more updated. But I'll make a separate video showing that process, the prep work, the step-by-step, all that good stuff in another video. So stay tuned for that. Also, to update the bathroom, I decided to change out the light fixture. This light fixture I got off of a Facebook Marketplace, and I did spray paint it a gold. All of the hardware in this bathroom I spray painted myself just so it could all match. But yes, this light was pretty simple to install. Wasn't too much to it. Just remember, whenever you're working with electricity of any kind, you want to always remember to make sure the power is switched off. Luckily, this bathroom is right next to a back door with a window, so it was easy to see. So in the previous video regarding this bathroom, I showed myself painting this vanity. I did use the rustoleum kit on the bottom half, and for the top area right here where I'm cleaning and around the sink, I used this rustoleum epoxy spray. So I decided to just go ahead and touch up any areas that I had missed previously. This spray has so much overspray, so if you use it, just be mindful. Put plastic down, because this spray will literally get everywhere. I also used it on the paper towel holder. Everything in this bathroom was like a beige almondy color, and yeah, I just wanted to, you know, freshen it up a bit, give it a more updated look, and as you can see, it turned out pretty well. I also decided to go ahead and place our fan. When I did the vanity and I did use the epoxy spray, the fan sucked up a lot of that spray and it clogged it up a bit. So this fan was just a replacement, and it also came with a light, which I liked, because not only is the fan working better now, but it also puts out more light when you're using the bathroom, so that was nice. When I was installing this light, one of these little cover things here, they're actually like glass or something, a frosted glass, it broke. And I cannot find the replacement for this. This is an old light that I bought off of like Facebook Marketplace, and I spray painted it, as you guys saw, but I don't think they make this anymore, so I don't know what to do. Should I replace it with a new light, or just put the bulb back in and just have the bulb there? I don't know. But anyway, I'm gonna put the bulb back in just for now. I'm not sure what to do with this light. Now that the sink is wiped down and everything, I am going to go ahead and caulk around the edges. Not sure where this stain here came from. I'm thinking it came from when I did the epoxy, because I had it sitting here. I'm not sure, to be honest. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and caulk around the edges, and I might go ahead and caulk around the edge of the sink itself as well. So that's what I'm about to do now. Alright guys, so I just want to elaborate on the floors. I installed these floors. It's luxury vinyl. I forgot the brand name. I'll insert a picture or something right here. The color is wood cherry. So I didn't record this process because I really didn't know what I was doing, but it came out better than I thought. So when I install the floors over this tile, I will make sure to record that. One thing I will say is on this little corner piece here, as you can see, I did not have the tools required to cut into this trim. So my little connecting piece here that separates the tile from the luxury vinyl is, you know, but you know, it's all good because once I replace this floor, this will get replaced as well. So that's one thing to note. And no, you cannot feel the tile underneath this. I put laminate underneath, the underlayment underneath it, so it's good to go. I also replaced the toilet myself. Funny story, when I was redoing this bathroom, this toilet actually stopped working. The old toilet stopped working. And my husband at the time was like overseas, so I had to do what I had to do. And that was my first time ever removing a toilet and placing a new one in, and it was harder than they make it seem. But I got it done, and that's why I went ahead and replaced the floors, because I had to remove the toilet. So I was like, I might as well go ahead and do that before I put the new toilet in. So anyways, I'm glad it happened because the old toilet, as you know, was like that almondy color and it just would have thrown everything off. So this one is white. It matches the newly epoxy tub and the white walls, and where the towel rack was, you can't even see where I had the towel holder replaced. I think it was like over in here somewhere. But yeah, I just hung these pictures up over the toilet, and we have our mirror. And remember I told you guys the cover to this broke while I was trying to take it out of the box. So I have to still find a replacement for this one. But yeah, that is that. So yeah guys, that is the bathroom. Hope you enjoyed this video. Ooh. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. The next video will be showing me epoxy this bathtub here, this shower surround. So be on the lookout for that, and I'll see you guys in the next one.